start. Millimeter distinction. Bit start. Water plus. Short to spin speed. Another meter. Big book. The Prestige Plus. Check got the honeycomb. The cotton, Cosman one, delicate, swollen silks, buttons, on door, start, on the same spin, silk boot short. Another distinction. I think it's the same. Without the honeycomb, of course. Another one. Siemens. Like carry gadget level 4 postcard. Huh? That, by the way, 899. Another Siemens 549. Well, I ain't got a problem screen it down. Put some emojis now. So that's the right. Time delay, steam wash, intensive, medic rinse, spin. Quite a noise. Drum. Another one in white. A different one there. Drop. Drawers there. We get to that? Yeah, man. So we've got option 1, 100 delay, safer, intensive, minute rinse again. Got temp, press buttons, rinse, normal, it's burst, rinse, press burst, normal, plus hold, it's plus hold, spin. There's some pop points and washes, I'll show you more. What about this one? Okay, there's another one. More different programs. 379. By the way. Medic minute, reward. Well, another Bosch, which is 10 kg, but everybody's been saying it's not 10 kg, the hoovers aren't, but they actually are. Big programs. Cottons, stains, mix up, freshen up, spin. Rainbow, delicate, easy go. Start with 3 washes first, reduce on in, menu select. Open it up, click the draw. Another Bosch. Okay. Dark wash, sports wash, steel, power wash, super quick, gentle spin, rain, spin, cotton stains, easy care. Mix low, delicate, silk, wool and rinse. Start button. Something. All burst, pre-wash, reduce ironing that plus. Another one, pretty much the same. Oh, yeah, I got to do them all. One set. Another one, same. Another Bosch again without the screen, got a stupid one. Another Bosch, cotton, intensive, eco, pre-wash, rinse, stop spin, drain, wool, delicate, mix load, pre-wash, quick, intensive, easy get off. Next Bosch, start, whatever, no Bosch. Okay, one for that. Same as which obviously got 2 bags and it's got really good old damn drum. Panasonic, which I find quite cool. All your dials there, on, off, start. Intensive button, excellent, viewers, and so on. And super sound. It opens. And it goes. Alright, got another one. Got another hot point. I think that's it. Hang on, I'll just show you one more, guys. One more. Another hot point. The quotas. Woo! I found them cute. And there's some Zanussis. Let's quickly show you through. Hoover, Central G, Optima. It's really cool. So I'll show you quick because people get suspect. And I'll just show you this one in a minute, guys. It's a chocolate here. With another Optima Candy Grando. Get drunk. A Whirlpool. Oh yeah, forgot to show you options. Stain Vanish, Added Chocolate, Easy On. Here you've got Start Today, Clean, Plus, Pre-Wash, Cold Wash, Texture Rinse, Bubble Spin. Okay, bye. Let me see if I know one. Let's have a look. Sitting back. There's another one here. Still out. Alright. We've got a Whirlpool. We've got a cotton. Synthetics, delicates. Quick wash, and wash. All that. Reduce. Reduction, speed reduction fits and all from that. Mintoed. Reset start. And what it's doing. Another Whirlpool for that. Open this. More cotton colours, synthetics, delicates, wool, hand wash, jeans. Big items bought. Super cool. Daily low 40. Speed. Rinse and spin. Off. Water tap closed. Clean pump, wash, blah blah blah, all that stuff. Reset, drain, door open, start, daily start, or start delete, temp, free wash, clean plus, easy on it, intensive, and speed. Oh, that's another one, same but in black, same but in a different colour. Now it's new cereal, no. Got the cottons. Recording a minute.